Everybody relies on our equipment to function properly and how it's designed. We're spread out all throughout all industries. I mean, even NASA has some of our ejectors on site, which they use in their test facility. One of the big challenges that we were facing was we wanted to look at specific information that was located in the Oracle cloud. And in order to do that, we'd have an analyst pull that data out and put it into spreadsheets. And setting that up was taking hours and hours each week. And so now that we're using this CX Fusion Analytics, I mean, we can just click a button and all that data is right there. It's saving us hours of work, and it's a lot more accurate than before too. The big reports that we do are a sales report. We're able to find out when the project is closing, what the likelihood of us winning is. And so we present that off to our executive management. They're able to review it. They're able to get a little bit more detail out of it than our previous reports that we were doing in Excel. The automation in Oracle CX is about 5 times faster, and it produces a lot more accurate results than we were doing manually.